Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Tyler from CR3 Home Services in another DIY video. On my previous video, I was just showing you guys how to test out a bake element on an electric stove. And on this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace a bake element on an electric stove. So I'm just getting back with you guys. Here's the video on how to do this. Just tune in. We're gonna be going step by step how to do it. Let's get it. Hey, y'all, the first thing you wanna do is kill the power to this junk. Unplug it. Alright, now that you got it unplugged, y'all want to remove these racks out of here. To work on the element, here's the bake element right here. We'll be replacing this with another one. Alright, y'all, since we removed those racks out of there, you want to remove these two screws right here on the bake element. Right there and right there. Got two screws that's holding the element together. You're gonna remove that. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Alright, y'all, time to remove the screws now on the element. I'm gonna do the left hand side first. Alright, got them two screws out of there now, y'all. Now there's two wires back there holding it together. Y'all see that right there on the left side and the right side? I'm gonna show y'all how to take that loose and put the new one in. Alright, y'all. So you can get you some wire strippers, or you can get you a flathead screwdriver to remove these wires off the element. But make sure that you don't just pull on this thing and the wires go back. Then you have to take that whole back panel out and you have to fix these wires. So take your time while removing these wires. That's it, y'all. That's how y'all remove a bake element from an electric stove. I'm gonna show you how to put it in. Pretty much you put it in the same way that you removed it. Yeah, these two wires I took the element off of, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see an up close version of it. Alright, y'all, I want to demonstrate on this element right here that I'm replacing, just to let you know it's good. Put both prongs on both ends of the element. So you got continuity. That means it's good. Now it's time to install it in there. Show you guys what to do next. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Time to connect it now. You just want to basically connect the wire like on that prong on both sides of the element. Of course, the left one go on the left side and the right one go on the right side. You just want to push back slowly, not too fast. And where them holes at, that you put the screws out of, make sure you line them back up the way it's supposed to line up. And get your screws and reconnect. That's how you replace a bake element on the stove, y'all. Now, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna plug it up and show you guys, make sure it got power to it and make sure it lights up, and we should be good to go. Alright, y'all, I got the power back on now. I'm gonna turn the bake setting on, 350, cool. Make sure it connect, y'all. Let the element do what it do. Y'all see it smoking. Look at that, y'all. It's beaming red now. We got heat in the oven now. That's how you replace the element, you guys. Hey, y'all, do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel. Let me know what y'all think for more DIY videos. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Alright, I'm out.